Ever find yourself scrolling through old statements or maybe even digging out that faded welcome pack and wondering, just how long have I actually been with this bank? It's a question that might flit through your mind occasionally, especially when you're considering new financial products or just feeling a little nostalgic about your long-term relationships. Today, we're diving into that very question, specifically for those of you who bank with Lloyds. It's funny, isn't it? Your bank is one of those constants in your adult life. It's where your salary lands, where your savings hopefully grow, and where you turn for loans or mortgages when big life events happen. Yet, for something so central, pinpointing the exact moment that relationship began can sometimes feel a little hazy. Think back for a moment. What were you doing when you first opened your Lloyds account? Were you a fresh-faced student, just learning to manage your own finances for the first time? Perhaps you were starting a new job and needed a reliable place to deposit your earnings. Maybe you were even drawn in by a particular offer or a conveniently located branch. The reasons are as varied as the people who walk through their doors, virtual or physical. Unlike some other long-term relationships, like with your best friend or a family member, there isn't usually a specific anniversary date etched in your memory for when you became a bank customer. There wasn't a big celebration or a defining moment that you'd naturally recall years later. It was likely a practical decision, a step taken to facilitate your financial life. So, how do you actually figure out this banking milestone? Well, there are a few avenues you can explore. The most straightforward way is often to check your account opening documents. Remember that welcome letter or email you received? It usually contains the date your account was officially opened. If you're good at keeping paperwork, unlike some of us, this might be your quickest route to the answer. If paper trails aren't your forte, don't worry. The digital age offers some easier solutions. Log into your Lloyds online banking portal or mobile app. Navigate to your account details or profile settings. Often, within this section, you'll find information about when your account was established. It might be listed as the account open date or something similar. Take a good look around. It's usually tucked away in a logical place. Still striking out? Don't hesitate to reach out directly to Lloyds. Their customer service team is there to help with these kinds of queries. You can give them a call, send a secure message through your online banking, or even pop into a local branch if that's convenient for you. Be prepared to answer a few security questions to verify your identity, and they should be able to provide you with the exact date you became a Lloyds customer. Why might you even want to know this? Well, for one, it's just interesting. It can give you a sense of perspective on your financial journey. You might be surprised at how long you've been with them. It can also be relevant when considering loyalty benefits or when evaluating if your current banking needs are still being met by the services you signed up for all those years ago. Plus, it's just a fun little piece of personal history to uncover. So, take a few moments, do a little digging, and satisfy that curiosity. Find out just how long you've been a part of the Lloyds banking family. You might just be surprised by the answer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.